only, or the second option is keep the crypto and plan to sell it after 4 years for 75 ringgit, 75,000 ringgit. We need to identify which option gives Zara the better financial return. Alright, to find the answer for the first option, we need to have the K over M, the MT. The K over M here will be 0.036 over 12, and the MT will be 4 times 12 equals to 48. We will be using this formula. Using this formula, we will get S equals to 62,000K multiplied times in bracket 1 plus 0.036 over 12 powered by 48, and we will have 6 equals to 62,000K, 62,000 ringgit times 1.0047 powered by 48. Next, S equals to 62,000 ringgit times 1.2504, and the last answer will be S equals to 77,526 ringgit. That is for the first option. For the second option, it says here after 4 years, we will have 75,000 ringgit. To find the comparison here, we need to the 77,526 ringgit minus 75,000 ringgit, and we will have 2,526 ringgit for the last answer. The answer is option first gives Zara a better financial return, which is 2,526 ringgit worth than option 2. That is for the first question. Hafiz should deposit the second time. Find the amount Hafiz should deposit the second time. First, we need to have this timetable. And then we need to find the K over M we will be using. The K over M here is 0.064 over 2 equals to 0.032. And for the MT, for the first 3 years, MT that we will be using is 3 times 2 equals to 6. And for the 4 years, the MT we will be using is 4 times 2 equals to 8. For the first step, we'll be calculating the first A1, S1. S1, we will be using this formula. S1 equals to 2,000 ringgit times 0.032 powered by 6. And the S1 will be 2,416 ringgit and 6 cents. For the second option, we will be using this formula. 8,000 equals to unknown times 1.032 powered by 8. And to find the unknown here, the 8,000 need to be multiplied by 1.2866. And the unknown S will be 6,218 ringgit and 2 cents. Second deposit amount, we need to find the second deposit amount. It will be 2,218 ringgit and 2 cents minus 2,416 and 2,416 ringgit and 6 cents. And the last answer will be 3,801 ringgit and 96 cents. Calculate the interest rate K compounded quarterly. And for the second question here, B question, the total amount in the account if the investment is continued for another 3 years. Let's do the A question first. We need to find our K over M and our MT. K over M here will be unknown over 4, and the MT here will be 4 times 5 equals to 20. We will be using the same formula. 11,347 ringgit and 28 cents equals to 9,200 ringgit times in bracket 1 plus K over 4. K is unknown. K over 4 powered by 20. And we need to change the position. The 11K and 347 and 28 cents we need to multiply it by 9,200 ringgit. That equals to 1 plus K over 4 powered by 20. Next, to find the K, after we multiply this, we will have 1.2334 equals to 1 plus K over 4 powered by 20. We need to change the position again. And in calculator, we need to press 1.2334 powered by 20. That equals to 1 plus K over 4. Continue on. Our K over 4 will equals to 1 minus 1.0105. And next, the answer will be 0.0105 over 4. That equals to K. The K we are finding. And the K will be 0.042. But since we need to find it in percent, the 0.042 times, we need to times it with 100. Then for the K, answer will be 4.2%. Moving on to the B question. The total amount in the account if the investment is continued for another 3 years. We need to find our K over M and MT. Our K and MT will be 0.042 over 4, and our MT equals to 8 times 4 equals to 32. This is the formula we will be using. P equals to 9,200 times in bracket 1 plus 0.042 over 4 powered by 32. Continue on. 9,200 times 1.0105 powered by 32. Continue on again. 9,200 times 1.3969. And our last answer, we will have 12,851 ringgit and 39 cents. That is the last answer.
I will explain how to find monthly repayment of RF housing loan. First, we need to find the down payment, which is 40% times 180,000 ringgit equals 72,000 ringgit. Next, we find the loan amount, which is house cost minus the down payment, and we will get 648,000 ringgit. Next, let's identify the information. K equals 0.9%, which means 0.039. K over M is 0.039 over 12, we will get 0.00325. 1 plus K over M is 1.00325. MT is 25 year times 12 month equal 300 month. We will use the present value formula, which is A equals R 1 minus open bracket 1 plus K over M close bracket power minus MT over K over M. We already know the loan amount, which is A, so 648,000 equals R 1 minus 1.00325 power minus 300 over 0.00325. So the final answer is 3,084 ringgit and 70 cents. Question B, Arif has a 300 month loan and he has already paid 240 payment. That means 60 payments are left. To settle the loan early, we calculate the present value of the remaining 60 monthly payment. So we use the present value formula. So A equal 3,084 ringgit and 70 cents in the bracket 1 minus 1.00325 power minus 60 over 0.00325. The final answer is 184,237 ringgit. Question C. Arif misses the first two payments, so by monthly, those two payments have grown with interest. To find how much he must pay in monthly to clear the arrears, we calculate the future value of the two missed payments using the future value formula. So the formula is S equal R 1 plus K over M power MT minus 1 over K over M. So S equal 3,084 ringgit 70 cents in the bracket 1.00325 power 3 minus 1 over 1 over 0.00325. So the final answer is 10,187 ringgit 27 cents. Question 5. Find the down payment first, which is 50% times 36,500 equal 5,475 ringgit. Next, find the loan, which is home theater system cost minus the down payment, and we will get 31,025 ringgit. K equal 0.054. 1 plus K over M is 1.0045. K over M is 0.0045. We will use the present value formula because we paid monthly. So 31,025 equal 580 in the bracket 1 minus open bracket 1.0045 close bracket power minus MT over 0.0045. After calculate the value and solving the equation, we get N equal 61.33 month. We have to convert month to year by dividing by 12. The final answer is 5.11 years.